Hello, everyone. My name is Zach, and I want to take an opportunity to share my experience with the Forex Beginners Academy created by Saad Ali, who is, in my opinion, based on thus far in this training, my mentor as well as my new best friend. But I want to kind of give you some information pertaining to how the training has helped me. When I first started, uh, probably almost about 7 or 8 months ago, I started in a demo account to just try to play around with Forex to kind of get the concept down, try to understand it. Like many, I went through a gazillion YouTube videos to kind of help see if it was possible that I could gain some insight through that, which in some cases I did, but I still felt very deficient in being a Forex trader, or at least a knowledgeable Forex trader. Now, this training, of course, you will go through a lot of different lessons and modules, things pertaining to support and resistance, trend lines, risk management, a real neat tool called the Fibonacci retracement, as well as what I consider the most important piece is the psychological aspects, because one of the things that Syed does a lot and places a lot of emphasis on is ensuring that you're in the right mindset to be an effective trader. And I think that's probably been the most rewarding, to just kind of understand how to deploy the right mental consciousness and mindset towards this whole process. In addition to that, I can look at a chart now and be able to take what I've learned in the training and actually be able to deploy a strategy that allows me to feel very proficient and successful in entering a trade. And that wasn't even close to being a reality prior to this training. So I can't speak enough about this training. We also have a student group on Facebook that is a private student group that we're able to share our experiences, share our information, share our charts, our markups, and get a lot of positive feedback on some things that we can do, continue to do, or some things that we can adjust as well. But it's just a great community to be able to just help refine one another and to be successful in this trading journey. So in a nutshell, I just want to say that this has been a wonderful experience. I want to thank you, Saad Ali, and continue my journey in Forex with this particular training. I feel very confident now compared to where I was before. So again, my experience, I want to thank you, and everyone have a great day.